Alright guys, so this is the Springfield Copperhead 9mm. This is an AR pistol style gun. This has got the SB Tactical collapsing brace. And this is very similar operating system to what the Sig MCX or the Sig Spear, Sig Rattler all operated in. It's well, this is actually direct blowback, but similar design as in there's no buffer tube. So it's just got the M1913 pick rail, so you can put any sort of folding stock or brace, or in this case, a collapsing brace. And gonna take a couple more shots down range. It's got our Hollison green dot on here. It's actually very smooth shooting. Got a couple rounds left, but it's a very short barrel. I'm pretty sure it's only like I want to say like a 2-inch barrel, 1-inch barrel. So you know, these needles. Oh, that's 8, right? Oh yeah, that's at least 8. That's pretty big. Pretty big. Because size doesn't matter. That's great. You keep telling yourself that. That's gonna be good. I like that. Keep that in. When you're editing, keep that one in.